Hey internet, welcome back to my channel. Today, as you can see, I have a Kawaii Box unboxing video, and I feel like it's been a while since I last did anything to do with Kawaii Box, and it's actually because my subscription ran out, and weirdly enough, I didn't get like a reminder email or anything to renew the subscription. It just kind of like died off, and I think like 2 months later, I think I got like a reminder. It's like, oh, by the way, it expired, but that didn't prompt me. What prompted me was going through my video files and realizing that I haven't been unboxing this for a while. So yeah, I don't know, that was weird. That you would think that they would just send a reminder because it's lost business. But anyways, all good, we've recovered, and let's just get right into the unboxing. Kawaii Neko Inu. Oh, I mean, could this be any better? I love animals, especially cats and dogs, and this is the September edition. So, okay, I'm really excited for this just because it's been so long, and I actually have my own little Neko sitting below me at the moment, and she may jump up and interrupt the video, but that's okay. So, first is this little Inu. Oh, little dog, so cute. It's just my cat. He's got this like little peach on his head or something like that. Super cute. You could just like dangle it. Very, very cute. You know, I'm kind of tempted to give this to Violet because obviously Violet is like the biggest dog person, so I feel like she would actually appreciate this. I always find it weird. Okay, I know this might be weird, but like they still have the little like butthole here as well, which I can't believe I just said that, but I find that so interesting that for a lot of Japanese dog characters, they always make sure to put that little cross. So strange. And then we have some candy, some like strawberry milk candy in the shape of little kitten paws. Oh, yep, hello. Okay, all right, yep, you're gonna see her head poke out. Okay, yeah, you wanna be part of the video too? You can. Let's just keep going. We have, I don't have this particular pen, but something like it is just an ice cream cone, puppy dog ice cream cone pen. Won't try it out. It's just like, to me, these are like generic black gel ink pens. And then we have a little pouch here with cats on it. Let's open this up. It's like a coin purse. Actually pretty functional. Look how big it is. You could fit a lot in it. Yeah, I can see myself actually using this. Maybe not against my bag, but I might tie it on the inside of my bag, and then I can keep like keys and stuff in it. Then we have, what is this? Are these like little erasers? Yep, carrot candy erasers. Not sure why called carrot candy. And these are definitely going to be slightly more decorative than functional because these are so small. And have you tried erasing with some like really tiny erasers? It's not comfortable and not practical at all. And oh, I think I have a black version of these. These are like earbuds. And I actually keep the ones that I got last time in my, is it my tech case? Because in my backpack for work, I have a case, a little pouch for like makeup, hand sanitizer, stuff like that. And then I have another one with all my tech gadgets and gears, just because I work in IT, so it's kind of, I guess anywhere you work now, it's kind of necessary. But I have my earbuds from last time in there, so I like these ones better. They just look nicer, so I might replace them. I might put this one in here instead in my bag, and then I'll take the black ones out and give them to Tobias. We have a lanyard. Really interesting looking lanyard too. Like this opening is just really unique, and it's got like, look, the gummy bears, jelly beans. Yeah, the gummy bears. This is so cute. I love repurposing lanyards and using them as camera straps. I just feel like they're a little bit more aesthetically pleasing for me. Okay, and then we have some stickers. Oh, chipmunks, Disney chipmunks, very cute. And then last one is Fat Orange Cat. Oh, it's a notebook. Okay. Weird. I just like, if you watch my most recent vlog, you'll know that I was going through a bunch of stationery items, and I pretty much like gave away a ton of notebooks, so it's so ironic that I'm getting more notebooks, but it is what it is. It's pretty thin though, so I feel like you could fill this up pretty quick. And that's pretty much everything in September's Kawaii Box unboxing video. Wow, it's been a while, hasn't it? Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. This is Celina reporting from my room. Back to you, internet.